Sis, is that coming out your scalp? Is that coming out your scalp or what? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Maya, and I'm back today with a brand new video. So y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, in today's video I'm gonna be doing a wig review, and this is gonna be with the company called ReadyWig. So the company that sent me this wig is called ReadyWig. This is what the box look like. So ignore all the, you know, the ridges and stuff. This is actually a really pretty box, but who cares about the box? Let's get to this wig. Okay, so inside of this box we have a wig cap. It has 2 wig caps in it, and this is like, I think it's a nude color. That's perfect because I just put foundation on top of my caps before I actually, you know, install my hair. So anyways, what's next? Okay, so the wig, of course. Is that it? Oh, I'm put the wig tag. I don't even want to look at it, but oh, I love it already. Okay, so I'm super excited, y'all. I don't know how thirsty I am to make this video. It's long overdue. Okay, so we also got this hair care card. So pretty much this is just instructions on how to take care of your synthetic hair. Okay, so now we have the actual wig. Oh, hold on. I see something stuck to the bottom of this. Okay, I got a little spray bottle, girl. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Because I sure needed one. And this is the wig. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is pretty. So before I even put this wig on, I'm gonna just tell y'all a little bit about it. This is a lace front wig. You got the lace in the front, which I'm gonna cut off. And in the inside, you have 2 clips. You got 3 clips, girl. You got 3 clips, so it's not coming off. And you got the adjustable straps, which is the best thing ever because you ain't gotta worry about your wig flying. I really, really love how it has like its own custom cut. Like now I don't have to put like that much work into it. It's really soft. Let's show this. Okay, so like it has like shine and everything, but not too much shine, and that's exactly what I want. This wig can take heat. It's about 16 inches like long, and then like in the back it's kind of like a little layered or feathered look. So it's like a little bit shorter, but yeah, this is like a 16-inch asymmetrical bob. This is the parting space. This is a 13x4. There is a way that you can still glue this synthetic wig down like you would do an actual human hair frontal and make it look good. By the way, before I get into this styling, the wig was $38 and it is on sale, so make sure y'all go catch it while y'all can. So, Ocean, can I please record without you yelling, please? Thank you. It never fails. But anyways, yeah, y'all, make sure y'all go and get that sale. I will have the link to the gray wig in the description box below, so just make sure y'all check that out and go baddest. Okay. Y'all, and I'll be so scared trying colored hair, but I'm gonna risk it all. Okay, so now that I straightened it a little bit, it looks even better. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck my middle part a little bit. Okay, y'all, so now that we got everything complete, I ain't even gonna lie, I'm feeling like that bitch, okay? I'm feeling like who? But it's not even laid yet, so I ain't gonna do too much. But y'all, when I say I love this wig with a capital L, nah, I quit, but I love this wig so much. Let me move it out my face. I really like this wig, like, oh my gosh, y'all. And then it don't tangle like at all. It don't feel like it's a synthetic wig at all. So that's what I really, really like about it. So I think I'm gonna get me one of these for my birthday shoot. Y'all can't tell me I ain't slaying, like. It makes me wanna order a long wig just to try it out and see, like, is the long wig just as good or is it just like sweet because it's short? Right, I'm definitely gonna buy a couple more of these wigs because like you can't go wrong with it. And I'm trying to go out this summer, and these are definitely some, I'm gonna go with the shorter size wigs, but these are definitely some nice summer wigs, because you know you don't want all that hair and stuff on you in the summer, and you want to be able to take that shit right off. So girl, like I said, this hair is by ReadyWig. They also sell human hair on their website, so make sure I go check that out. I have not checked their human hair out yet, but I will love to. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna take some pictures now, because the video is basically complete. Like, I really want to just sit here and start feeling myself, but I can't. But I'm gonna take my pictures and stuff. I'm gonna post all of that later. Bring my shoulders down. I don't even know how you call it. When I take the sleeves down into my shoulders or whatever, it complements like bob hairstyle. So like, that's why I like to wear outfits that let me, you know, bring them down a little bit. Yo, cause who? What? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? All right, let me stop playing. So yeah, y'all, that's basically it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this hair tutorial. I really love this wig. Like, I'm obsessed, and I can't wait to get another one. And I want to try another color, because I did have this color before, but it was not this cute on me. And I'm just loving it, and I got so many more to slay. So with that being said, make sure y'all give me a big old thumbs up. Make sure y'all comment and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in my next video.